Good morning, students. This is Vijita from Parvatnen Brahmaya Siddhartha College of Arts and Science under the Department of Computer Science. Today we learned about the machine learning introduction. Introduction to machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, means computer learning from the data using algorithms to perform a task without being explicitly programmed. That means large number of data set also can be implemented easily using the machine learning algorithms. It enables systems to improve their performance on specific tasks through experience. And the various applications of the machine learning algorithms used in finance, healthcare, and various technologies. Next, we learn about the definition of the learning. The computer program is said to learn from experience is E, concerning some class of task is T, and performance measure is P. If the performance at task T as measured by P improve with experience is E. The given example as the handwritten recognition learning problem. The task T is recognizing and classifying handwritten words within the images. The handwritten recognition means so many persons writing in the different styles. That can be identifying the task. The performance P is percent of words correctly classified. So the words are correctly or not, it is a classified using the performance. The training experience is data set of handwritten words with the given classification. In the next example as the robot driving learning problem. The task T is driving on highways using vision sensors. The performance P is to find out average distance traveled before an error. The training experience is sequence of images and steering commands recorded while observing a human driver. Coming to types of machine learning, there are three types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. The first one is supervised learning. It involves training a model on labeled data to make predictions or classifications. Further, we discussed about the classification, what is meant by trained data and labeled data also. And unsupervised learning, that deals with the unlabeled data, aims to identify patterns or groupings with the data. First, we learn the supervised learning. The machine learning task of learning functions, the maps an input to an output based on example. That means input and output pairs. The given data is labeled. Both classification and regression problems are supervised learning problems. Classification means categorizing. Regression means continuously change the values. Consider the following data recording. Patients entering a clinic. The data consists of the gender and age of the patients and is labeled as healthy and sick. The labeled data is healthy and sick. Finally, we predict the output as he is healthy or sick. The supervised learning learns from a training data set that includes both input features and corresponding output labels. In the given example, the labeled data set having the different types of fruits like carrot, apple, and capsicum. First, we learn training the model. The training data set model can be implemented using the algorithms, machine learning algorithms. Now it can be predicted the output as the classified. It is carrot or it is capsicum or it is apple based on the size and shape. The machine learning algorithms implemented in this given example based on size and shape. The common algorithms used in the supervised learning: linear regression, decision tree and support vector machine. The main applications of the supervised learning can be found in the spam detection, image classification and medical diagnosis. In the same way, supervised learning regression concepts means it is continuously changed the values. For example, if you take a weather temperature in a day, that is not permanent in the next day. It is always continuously changed the values. Another example is stock market analysis also. The rate is not be fixed. It can be changed. That is the regression. These are the concepts of the supervised learning, classification and regression. So, another we discussed about the unsupervised learning and what are the applications used in the unsupervised learning and how to implement the unsupervised learning. Thank you.